Next, exercise 4.2, question number 3. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So, the given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. We have to check which of the following are solution of this equation and which are not. Okay. So, first part, the given point is 0, 2. So, x value is equal to first one 0 and y value is equal to second one 2, right? So, in this case, you have to substitute the values of x and y in this equation. I am going to substitute here. X minus 2y I am going to calculate. Value of x is equal to 0 minus 2 into value of y is equal to 2. So, we will get is equal to minus 4. But here the answer is equal to 4. So, minus 4 is not equal to 4. Not equal to, you can denote like this, is equal to and cut it. Not equal to 4. So, we can say that therefore, it is not a solution. If you are getting the same answer that is equal to 4, then you can say that it is a solution. Okay. Second one, point is 2, 0. X is equal to first value 2, y is equal to 0. So, x minus 2y I am going to calculate. X is equal to 2 minus 2 into y is equal to 0. So, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Again you got a wrong answer is equal to 2, which is not equal to 4. So, you can write it is not a solution. Next part 4, 0. Here x value is equal to 4, y value is equal to 0. Again I am calculating same. X minus 2y is equal to x is equal to 4 minus 2 into y is equal to 0. So, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Now, you got the correct answer 4, right? So, if the answer is getting the same answer which is mentioned after this equation, then you can write therefore it is a solution. Okay. Next, fourth one. Root 2, 4, root 2. This is the point. What is the x value? Root 2. What is the y value? Second number. 4, root 2. Calculating x minus 2y. What is x? Root 2 minus 2 into 4 into root 2. So, you can calculate it as root 2 minus 2 into 4, 8 root 2, which is not equal to 4, right? So, it is not an equation. Solution. It is not a solution. Next one, fifth part. The point is 1, 1. X is equal to 1 and y also is equal to 1. Okay. So, x is equal to 1. So, I am substituting the values x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. What is the equation? Equation is x minus 2y. X is equal to 1 minus 2 into y is equal to 1. So, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Again, we are not getting is equal to 4. Is equal to not the right answer, correct? So, we can say that it is not a solution. So, all these points only we got this is the solution of the given equation. 4, 0 is the solution of the given equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4.